Hi, I'm Matthew Cook. I'm in operations at ESP. The most rewarding part of my job is powering up the community and helping out when I can. I like getting power back to the community, putting a smile on their faces. Certifications I got, I'm a journeyman electrician. Been doing it for about 10 years. Started chasing hurricanes in 2019 and been doing it since. I work on diesel generator, ACs, desiccants, distro. I do most of everything from board ups to monitoring. So I'm from Texas. Hurricane Harvey hit us, and I think it's 2017. I met Chris, the owner of ESP. At the time, I was working at another company and kept in touch with him, and he started his own little business and he's doing well. So I want to jump on board and see how it goes from there. My biggest motivation is probably gonna be my family. My wife's the one that wakes me up, and I get to see her when I come home, and the kids. I like what I do, and I like to come home. That's the most important thing to me. We do a lot of sports in the Cooks family. We do a lot of fishing, camping. We like road trip. But when we're at home the most, it's all sport. I coach my son in baseball. We do drills at home. We practice 3 times a week. I enjoy watching all my kids in every field, if it's soccer, football, baseball, track. I just love being with the family, and family's everything to me. I've been at ESP for about 4 months. It's been great so far. Chris, the owner, hired great people. We know everything about this whole industry. We all get along. We work great together. This job ain't for everybody. We put in a lot of hours. We wake up, it's dark. We go to bed, it's dark. The first week of a hurricane disaster, there ain't no food, there ain't no stores open, so you better prep, have cases of water, stuff that don't melt, crackers. When that first restaurant opens up, everybody's in there. The challenging part of some of these jobs is pretty much keeping the equipment running 24/7. Equipment goes down, you gotta be right there and get it back on and going for the customer. I feel like ESP is like a family. I just feel like there's a lot to grow. And just for me, in the next 5 years, I see myself as a sales rep or even more.